Hi, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're ready to bring some luxury into your home, then you need this king size down comforter from DWR. One of my favorite things is the softness of the material. It's very soft, yet cool to the touch. We were looking to upgrade our previous comforter, and we are not disappointed. This exceeded all of our expectations. It's the perfect balance to keep you warm in those winter months, but also cool and not overly heated in the summer months. This all season down comforter is so beautiful on its own, but easily you can also pair it with another comforter. It's so cozy and warm, you're just gonna wanna snuggle in your bed all day long. I will say that the more I use the comforter, the more the wrinkles seem to come out. There's no feathers that come out, so you don't have to worry about anything poking you. Everything stays in place. Another neat feature is that it comes with loops or hooks for a duvet cover. There is an attachment on each of the four corners and then one in between on each of the sides. This is definitely made with quality materials. So if you're looking to cozy up in the winter, or to keep you warm year-round, and I would definitely recommend this king size luxury down comforter from DWR. And that's my point of view.